Oh baby, what's your name? Go. Cause we got that dough.
Why Pree Guys? So I did was fake vlogging, but I don't even know if I'm gonna post it, but I low-key should, because it will like explain like all the new additions that I have. So if I post it, I post it. If I don't, then y'all see what's going on. So it's February 2nd. My birthday is in 8 more days, and I'm just getting older. I just got off of work. I'm on my way to meet my boyfriend, and then I want to go to the mall just to pick up like a few makeup products. I done ordered everything online. I ordered my boots, I ordered my outfit, I ordered my wig. Reach Ulta, then I'll come back to y'all.
Top dolly, not the tree tool.
We have the mall, y'all. I want me a set, something like this. Why is all these open? Oh yeah, this is pretty. And then I need blush and contour. So my baby just came for my Ulta.
Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her.
Today is the 7th. That means just 3 more days to my birthday. I have my wig right here. I'm about to go drop my wig off at the girl. My lashes is for Friday. My hair appointment is on my birthday, which I don't know when I'm gonna do my eyebrows, but when I do it, y'all know I'm gonna record. I'm about to go drop off my wig. I'm gonna like my cousin, and I'm about to be my man. I don't think I'm doing anything like for me to vlog, but when I do come back, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna show y'all, of course. Look crazy, nothing new. It is February 9th. My birthday's tomorrow. I'm super excited, but I'm just kind of over it. So I just got out of work. I have my lash appointment at 1 o'clock, and I'm gonna try and do my eyebrows. Still have to do my nails, and then tomorrow I have a 7 a.m. nail appointment because I had to reschedule the girl, and she's one of my loyal clients, so I'm taking her. And then my hair appointment is at 10:30, which I'm also excited for because the girls seem really nice. Oh. I just got in the car. I'm out of breath. So I did my eyebrows. She waxed them and she threaded them. I'm picking my car. She's like, "Oh, you want to pay? You want a tip?" Like, no. Did I say I wanted to tip? I don't want them skinnier, but like, nah. I'm really looking at my eyebrows now. I'm mad. Y'all, I love my eyelashes so much. I know she was my body. I did my eyebrows and my lashes. I'm about to see what else we about to do, but I still have to do my nails and I have to wash my hair. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm in the car. I just finished my client. She gave me a $20 tip. Shout out to her. I love when she come do her nails because she always get like nice sets. Eats. I be saying I be doing anything to my nails. Like, I do not like my nails. So I'm gonna charge up my camera and stuff, my charger. And then I have to go to the bank, and then I also have to shave. Lashes is eating. All you need is your lashes done. Like, hello. So, this is my outfit. Because I have to go to Chores. And y'all, I shaved, but I ain't finished. I'm done. I need a car wash. I'm gonna try and get one. Because it's dirty.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark purple. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach your whip that a turret. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never.
Nah, but I want a ponytail. Well, I don't want a ponytail. But I don't, it's like if I have time, if I take it out, I don't.
Y'all see? Well, y'all really can't see, but y'all see the dog. Yeah, girl. And then my hairstylist gave me a little. Nah, I really gotta come back to her because I be doing my hair by myself, literally. And I stopped wearing wigs for a minute, but this eats. Let me listen to some music. Yeah, I love my hair. I love it so much. And the hair is so soft. Oh my god, added me a bundle. I mean, he needs to hold up trim. Somebody sponsor the doll some gas, please. The dolly need gas, please and thanks. Cash App, Apple Pay. And then I need a car wash. I swear, always eating. So my man brought me some chicken and rice and beans. But when I eat this, I use the green chipotle sauce. And I don't have that in here. I need a salsa water also because I love me salsa water. And Jolly Ranchers, the chewable ones. $2.42. Gotta be home at like 5. It was so freaking nice. I'm so aggy because I paid $50 for that car wash. $55 actually. But I'm not to properly clean my car. Clean the outside of your car. Yeah, no problem. But inside, very lazy. I just bought me a spray because I just need to continue to spray the wipes that I have. I'm gonna eat. Hope that spray has a shine. I didn't see anywhere of like the level of shine, but I hope it's shiny. So most of the things I don't want to say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic.
You wanna get with me, stop.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on.
Y'all, my room is messy and I only have 3 minutes left on this card. But guess what I got? La 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 la. I only got 3 minutes on this. So annoying. But I'm here, y'all. I have to call my friend so she can call the person for the pictures. So I'm gonna take my pictures. I'm about to call my man. So I can't even record because guess what? I don't have no freaking space. I have my other SD cards. I have to look for it and put it in. But those is running out of space too. But I'm gonna come back, y'all. Oh, it's recording.
Yep.
Alright, but
Very good.
Don't
You need to see. You scared as frost. Shoes, bro.
show y'all what's going on back here. 2 minutes? That's okay. We're gonna make this quick. For my belly. Oh, I put it on the CarPlay. My problem is I don't think ginger ale is soda. It's medicine. Look at my lashes, y'all. I think I'm gonna add this in the book. But my birthday is so good. So good. I did not get to do an outro, so I'm gonna do an outro now. Proper. Right now, we're about to go get food. We're gonna get some baby oil tacos. I don't know. These cookies make me like nauseous. Yeah. I don't know. They're good, but I don't know. I just don't like this brand of cookies. Like, yeah, my camera is dead. So,
Hold on.
So we're at the spot and it's cute or whatever. There's nobody here. Yeah, my eyelash is swollen out, but I'm not gonna get it filtered. So we got drinks. I don't like this. I don't like margaritas. I don't even know why we would get this, but the time is good. As you can see. Ooh, I'm messing my ramen. So we just left. What would you rate the food?
I know damn well that is not my shit. I just heard.
0.
Negative. He knows that was so yummy.
Yeah, -0.
You can't have a -0. He knows it was so yummy. That is the best burrito tacos he ever had. Because we go to this other spot, but their tacos do not be hitting. That margarita was nasty. The tahini saved it. But chamoy, whatever. They need to put more. And then we got Mexican candy. Oh my god, they put chamoy and tahini on everything. Try it real quick.
What was that?
That's good.
I don't know. That's instinct.
What's that? You trying to it's like that. Ew. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and big up yourself, right, True? Anyways.